Imagine, right in front of you, a toolkit that exudes both style and substance. The Professional Auto Repair Toolkit is encased in a vibrant orange that promises not only functionality but a personality of its own. This 46, 53, or 151-piece set isn't just a collection of tools. It's a commitment to efficiency and reliability for every project. At its heart, we find the Quick Ratchet Wrench, crafted from Chrome Vanadium Steel, a hallmark of durability that every mechanic, whether a polished pro or a passionate DIYer, will appreciate. In the world of auto repair, having the right tool can make all the difference. Projects that once seemed cumbersome become seamless experiences with this versatile kit. Are you in need of dependable tools that transform work into art? This is your solution. From the smallest detail to larger tasks, it caters to all, eliminating the frustrating setbacks that often plague us. No matter if you're fine-tuning your personal ride at home or tackling industrial-scale repairs, this toolkit adapts to every scenario effortlessly. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right, with tools that resonate with quality and beauty. So ask yourself, why stand for the ordinary when the extraordinary is within reach? Equip yourself with this top-tier toolkit and witness your work evolve from the mundane to the magnificent. Choose the Professional Auto Repair Toolkit and experience firsthand why it is the choice of champions. Don't settle for less. Elevate your craft to the level